Your energy was never supposed to fade after 50. It's being stolen, and the fix isn't in a bottle. It's something you never tried. Here is what's really happening. Inside every cell in your body are mitochondria, tiny energy factories. After 50, they don't just slow down, they shut down, not because of aging, because of comfort. Your mitochondria adapt to what you demand of them. And if you've spent decades staying warm, staying comfortable, staying still, your cells got the message: produce less, conserve more. This isn't a disease. It's an adaptation. And notice this carefully. It's reversible. That 2 p.m. crash you can't shake. That brain fog that makes you reread the same sentence 3 times. That morning exhaustion coffee stopped fixing years ago. It was never burnout. It was never age. It was your mitochondria on standby, waiting for a signal you stopped sending decades ago. The health industry wants you to believe energy comes from a supplement. A powder? A pill? But that brain fog you've been fighting, it wasn't yours. It was the accumulated weight of a system running at half capacity, and you were told it was normal. The trap is thinking you need a dramatic life overhaul. You don't, but the cost of doing nothing compounds. Every month, your mitochondria stay dormant. They don't just stay asleep, they die off. Fewer energy factories, less capacity. And your body compensates by burning glucose less efficiently, storing more fat, producing more inflammation. That's not getting older, that's deconditioning. And here is what they'll never tell you. The fix doesn't cost $1. It doesn't require a prescription. It doesn't ask for 30 days or a subscription or a protocol. It asks for 5 minutes and cold water. Cold exposure forces your mitochondria to do something they've forgotten how to do: produce heat. When your body hits cold water, it triggers norepinephrine. Heart rate spikes. Blood rushes to your core and your mitochondria. Those dormant factories get the signal. Wake up, multiply, produce. Here is how you start. Tomorrow morning, at the end of your shower, turn the water cold. Not warm, not cool. Cold. Stand under it for 30 seconds. Breathe. That's it. Day 1. By day 5, make it a minute. By day 10, 2 minutes. Within 3 weeks, your mitochondrial density increases measurably. Scientists call it cold induced mitochondrial biogenesis. You'll call it feeling 35 again after every shower. No pills, no powders, just cold water and 5 minutes. You've been told energy fades with age. That's the story they sell, because tired people buy things. But your mitochondria don't need a pill. They need a signal. Give them one. Tomorrow morning, cold water. 30 seconds. Take back your energy.